When it comes to the security of your home and family, we know you want a company you can trust. At POGO Security, the safety and security of your home is our top priority. Our state-of-the-art fire and burglar alarm systems are monitored by our UL 5 Diamond certified station, operated 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, giving you the peace of mind you deserve. No two security needs are alike. That's why we offer custom security solutions for your home. Our burglar alarm systems are designed with your concerns and home security needs in mind. When you call us, a consultant will come to your home to work with you on developing a security system designed to meet your needs and fit your budget. Combine your burglar alarm with our fire alarm system and receive fire protection when you are home and away. Even when the power is out, photoelectric smoke and heat detectors send voice notifications in the event of a fire. Let one of our highly experienced and knowledgeable representatives tailor to your needs and find the right alarm system for you. POGO Security, one-stop shop for all your security needs.